What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you will be resetting your oil life on a Chevy Malibu. It's going to be the same from about the 2019 up to the 2023. The first thing you're going to want to do is come into your vehicle pretty much and start your vehicle up by, starting it your normal way. Once you do that, what you're going to want to do, you'll see inside of your cluster right here pretty much where all your stuff is at. Like this one says, change oil soon. So what you want to do once you come and start your vehicle up is come right here to your little pad. You will come to your pad right here, and the first thing that you're going to want to do is press on your check mark. You see when I did that? Then what you're going to want to do is, you see right now it says trip. You want to press now on the right arrow right here, which when I'm doing that, you'll see it go over to vehicle. And once you get to vehicle, what you're going to want to do, this one's already on it where I would need to reset it at, but if it wasn't, you'll just now press up and down. Like see right here, I'm pressing up on this one, but you just want to press up or down until you see that's showing your oil pressure, your tire pressure, follow distance, battery voltage, coolant temperature, units. And see now it says remaining oil life. It's showing me like 1% on there pretty much. Get a close up, you can see it. It's showing like 1%. So as you can see right beside it, it says press the check to reset. So you only want to do this basically after you've had your oil changed. You don't want to do this just to reset if you haven't changed your oil, because now it's going to lose track of when's the next time that you need your oil to be changed. So after you get your oil changed, like I said, you want to start your vehicle. You want to come to your little pad over here. You want to press the check mark. And then once you do that, you want to go to the section that says vehicle. You want to go down until you see your remaining oil life. And then you'll see the little button that says reset. Once you've actually had your oil changed, now all you have to do is press that check button and hold it. And you should be able to reset your oil on this Chevy, your oil life on this Chevy Malibu. All right, folks, once again, this is how you will be resetting your oil on a Chevy Malibu from about a 2019 up to a 2023. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.